So we're saying that selling is exhausted on bar number 3, and we're selling that buying was exhausted on bar number 2. So both of the forces are exhausted. And that kind of suggests maybe a little bit of a smaller trading range right here. So if the market kind of reacts down, what would happen to Russell? So let's just say something like this, right? So 1 bar, shakeout bar. Then we will be talking about this structure right here. And it might actually be interesting to see if we're going to have some kind of lowering of volatility here.
I think this is intriguing here, because what I don't like to see here, this is lovely. We come down here, we test, we push it up, we break out. But then we get this action. I would like to have seen continuation from a bullish standpoint. It doesn't happen. Then we get high volume coming in and it's wacky. I mean, logically, we have to think it's supply related. Okay. But also at the same time, I like the fact that we don't test the highs here. That's slightly bearish as well. Because, there's not enough demand to push on up and test. Now, if we do flounder around here for a bit, building a bit of causality, we're just absorbing the demand and boom. Like you said, I think in odds favor, we're going to come down and have one. I think the nature of this reaction, if we break the lows here, will be more aggressive than this.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, there is no way. There's no way that supply is not going to increase, and then the result is going to increase, especially after the bar like this. I mean, like this was such a bullish bar. You would be expecting some kind of continuation, and just this whole approach to this area, like this. There's so much momentum that the demand has at that point, and yet nothing happens.
Yeah, what happens from here? We don't even push on up to test the highs. Now we see this wacky action. For me, it feels a little supply heavy. Things are occurring that shouldn't be occurring if we're coming from a bullish standpoint. And for me, it's the continuation from this bar and then these 2 high volume bars. Like, what exactly does that mean?